Okay, today's book is called All by Myself, and it's about a girl who tells us about all the things that she can do all by herself. So, the new sight word in this book is all, and I'm actually, I think, going to have another activity for you using that word because it's also a sound that we see in a lot of other words. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. But all, A-L-L, makes the all sound. It is the word all, and it makes the all sound in other words. So we'll go to the title page. All by myself. And again, here's your focus question. So when you finish reading, I want you to be able to close the book and tell a family member, or you can record it and send it to me on Seesaw. What does the girl do all by herself? It's important to answer this question without looking back through the book. We want to see that as you're reading, you're able to remember what you've read. So if you need some help, that's fine. But I want you to first see what you can remember from reading without going back and looking at it. So again, the book is called All by Myself, and I'm going to turn the pages. I'll probably just leave it for a couple seconds and then go to the next one. So remember, if you're not finished, push pause, and then maybe play again when you are finished, just to make sure I don't skip through any pages before you're done reading. Words to know: build, color, dress, listen, myself, and think. So just keep those in the back of your head, but make sure you're using your eagle eye strategy to figure out the words that of the things she's doing by herself. Okay, so once you're finished reading the book all by myself, you can do this activity, writing an art. What do you like to do all by yourself? Draw a picture and write about it. You can, if you want to do that and send a picture to me, I would love to see it. And then also remember, if you want to tell someone in your family or tell me all the things the girl did by herself in the book, without looking, just from memory, that would be great practice. And then I'm going to record another video of an activity I want you to do with that all word or all sound.